This is Kelsey calling Pizza Place.
Pizza Place, can I help you?
Do you have tacos there?
No, we don't.
Sorry, wrong number.
On? Yeah. This is Sarah calling. Oh, it's on screen.
Big Boy Pizzeria?
Do you have tacos there?
I'm sorry?
Do you have tacos there?
No, we don't.
Oh, do you know a place in town where there's tacos?
I'm sorry?
Do you know a place in town where there's tacos?
There's a Taco Bell.
Okay.